Hi, I'm Allison, and today I want to talk about packaging your products. Kind of a boring topic, right? Wrong! Go over to Pinterest and type in packaging, and it's gonna blow your mind. There are so many cute ideas, and then you're gonna think, oh my gosh, how do I do this? Where do I get all the products? And then you get excited, and then you start realizing it costs money to do this. And so I want to show you some of the cheap packaging ways, and also as you start to get money in, ways that you can help brand your packaging even better for your customers. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that social stuff, and let's get started. Now before we get started, these products, these places that I'm recommending are for small to medium-sized business. If you are a large business, you want to start importing from China. But if you're just getting started or you're just getting going, I'm going to show you the best places that you can get your products to brand your company on the cheap. So first off, let's get started here on Etsy. I know this is like a gold mine. Super love this company. It's called Too Cute Paper. And if you scroll down, you can see all the fun different designs that they have to wow your customers. Like how fun would it be to get a unicorn package on your front doorstep? And look at that, you can get 200 pieces for $13.50, which is pretty darn good. And you can just scroll down and see all different patterns that are here. So let's take a look at this unicorn one right here. So it's $6, and then you want to add in your shipping. The shipping is $6.55. So you're paying $12.55 for a patterned poly mailer, right? Well, hop on over to Amazon, and you can get 100 poly mailers for a little bit cheaper, but it doesn't have any personality. And we get these from Juvale, Juvale, and we have actually ordered from these guys for a couple of years. Now, if you're like, I like the designs, or maybe you don't like unicorns, but if you like some of the other designs, you want to pay a little extra, you can absolutely go for it. But if you're really going cheap, then I would stick with the white ones, or you can put a sticker on there. Now, next thing, let's talk about boxes. And let's say that you can't stick it in a poly mailer and you need to stick it in a box, and you don't have money to go out and buy branded boxes. I want to show you some of the things that I used when I first got started. I used a good old rubber stamp. I got this for about $15 from a local stamp shop, and I stamped all my products to help brand my products, and it worked out really well. So you can either brand your actual packaging, or you can brand your boxes, and it just takes a stamp, and that is it. Now, if you're like, I don't want to do that, then I recommend using a company called Flex Pack, and all you have to do is do a quote request right here, and it'll pop up, and you can put your name, your number in there. They'll get back to you and give you a quote to see if your packaging, if it fits your budget. Now, remember when I showed you those cute boxes that were all different colors and shapes and sizes? This is who I would recommend right here. Printrunner. So if you've got like smaller products, like, I don't know, makeup or earrings or something that you want unique, this is where I would recommend starting off with. You can get small quantities, and look at all the different, you can get gable boxes, header and card toppers, like all types of different embossed. I mean, look at all these fun things. You could be on here forever. Just figuring out what type of design that you want. Super fun, and I do recommend Printrunner. Now, the next thing is, let's say you want some type of a custom tag on there and you don't want to stamp. I also recommend Printrunner too. And you can do different shapes, different sizes, different colors, gold, ooh, all types of stuff here. And this is what I would recommend. Okay, so we've gone over poly bags, we've gone over boxes, and hang tags to help you to brand your products a little bit better. Okay, the next thing that I recommend, like more than recommend on anything ever, like the first thing that absolutely should go in every single package is a call to action. Now, when I talk about a call to action, I mean just literally a postcard that you can put in your packages. But it's not just a postcard like that says thank you right here. On the back of it, it's got a call to action. What do you want your customers to do after you've bought from them? You want to tell them thanks and then give them something else to do. I have put a discount code on the back of this thing, and in 1 year, it made us an extra $24,000. There's a video on my channel on a little bit more detail going into it, but that one little thing, these postcards that cost me 2 to 3 cents, made me an additional $24,000. Do not send out a package without having a call to action. Now, if you're like, well, I don't know how to do coupon codes, or you're not ready for that, have them like your page on Facebook or on Instagram. Give your customers something to do when they get their package. Another thing that we've done is, you can see this in the corner, a bribe. We've literally bribed our customers to go leave us a review on Google, on Facebook, wherever your platform is at, and wherever you want reviews, we ask them to leave us a review. And we do stick in a little piece of Laffy Taffy, and we say, we wanted to bribe you with some sugar. We're not kidding. To go leave us a review, and we have gotten really good reviews from that. So I highly recommend Vistaprints for getting that. Vistaprint always has coupon codes. Whoops, V-I-S-T-A, Vistaprint coupon codes. Never buy from Vistaprint unless you have a coupon code, because you're just wasting money. Look at all these 50, 40, 60, 50% off coupons. Always use a code. Okay, now the next thing that I recommend, and I actually just fell into this by coincidence, was by putting something in your packages that gets the family involved. So when the package comes to your customer's door, you want it to be in a family event. You want it to be something that everybody gets excited about, instead of a boring box that is just the package, right? You want it to be like, whoa, yeah, this is so fun. And so what we've done in the past, and I've done for almost 10 years, is I put a piece of candy in there, a piece of Laffy Taffy, and it's worked really well. We get a lot of social proof from it. People are saying, oh, here's the taffy we got. And it's been a really fun way to help grow the business and get people talking about your business. Another thing that we've done is we've put in tattoos, and I want to show you where we get these tattoos. It's called 24-hour tattoos, which really should be named like, I don't know, 72-hour tattoos, because it takes a couple days to get them. But these tattoos are so great because the moms give them to the kids plaster them all over their arms, their face, like wherever. And then what are the moms doing? They're putting it up on social media and tagging you. You're trying to create that experience. And by getting a tattoo that costs a couple cents to help you advertise your business for free is a good deal, a very, very good deal. And you could even put a little note in there that says, show us your tattoos, your tats, whatever, for a chance to be entered into a drawing. You're gonna have a lot more participation on that, which is the beauty of social media. It's awesome. It's awesome. Okay, now if you're looking for ribbons and bows, this is where I still get all of my ribbon currently is from Paper Mart. And it's just papermart.com. You can get colors, widths, all sorts of shenanigans on here. And it just adds an extra little special touch to your packages. All right, the next thing, if you want twine on your packages, which, hello, there's so many cute packages with twine on it. I recommend going to clandrop.com. This is my shop, and I will leave a discount code down below for you to be able to go get that twine. Now, I don't know how long it'll last, but if you get this quickly, you're gonna get a really good deal, I promise you. So use the discount code below so that you can stock up on your twine for your packaging. This has so much in it. Like, it is the best stuff ever. I'm not just saying it's because it's my stuff. I'm saying this because it literally is, and it lasts forever. All right, then the next thing, bum bum bum, tape. When you get a box and it has your tape on the outside, it's like the most beautiful thing ever. Now, if you're like, oh my gosh, Allison, I can't pay for all of this other stuff and tape, you know what? I didn't start getting tape until like my 8th or 9th year. Tape is not a necessity, but it is a fun little extra special touch. So I'm putting this in here because this is the place where I currently get mine. But if you're not ready for it, don't worry, don't worry. You gotta get the poly bag first, or the box, right? And then the second thing, you have to get that insert in there. the bribe or the call to action. You want that to help you start getting more orders and get either the reviews or the orders up. All right, the last thing, if you want to add tissue paper into your boxes, dollar store is a great place. Stock up. You can get $1 for 35 pieces of tissue paper. Comes in a whole bunch of different colors. There's places that you can brand your tissue paper, which is pretty fancy, but on the cheap, I would stick with the Dollar Tree and stock up. So those are my recommendations. I would love to hear yours. What do you do that's extra special in your packaging? Where do you get them from? Oh, and I have one more bonus for you. There's a link down below for you to get this entire list so that you didn't even have to take notes. I probably should have told you at the beginning of the video, but I didn't. But it's down below for you to get it. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and then leave me your favorite places to get packaging stuff for your products. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.